Welcome to another Tableau tutorial video. First of all, let me say thank you to all my subscribers and everybody that's left a comment. I really appreciate it. I want to show you a real quick tip that some of you may have overlooked in your filtering. If you want to create a filter for this dashboard, oftentimes I would come here, add a filter. You want to filter it on the map and you want it to filter the other items. And click, and then you're done, right? Here's the tip. Selecting this worksheet, you see this little icon here? This is a filter toggle. And so if you see it's not filled in, if you click it, that now becomes a filter. So now you can filter the whole dashboard just by clicking that. It's so much easier than coming to the dashboard and having to put it in manually. Clicking that little icon does it for you. Now, the one thing I will say is if you come here, let's just edit this. Nope. Let's come to the other one. That was auto-generated. This is manual. Maybe we want it to just show, not filter the region, just do the segment dollars. Then you still have to go in and manually do it. So if you come here, you want the California. This is just California. This stays the same. So if you want to just filter some of the items, and for your more complex dashboards, that's what you're going to want to do. Otherwise, you can use this quick filter icon, and it'll filter the whole screen. There you go. Some of you probably knew it. Enjoy.